Hello folks, Salon Jenkins here. This is what I want you to try, I want you to look at. This is the 10-10-10 with 7% sulfur. If your measurements are down. So my soil result measurements were a little bit down, but I expect that after a long winter. And here they are, my NPK, my nitrogen, my phosphorus, my potassium, and my sulfur. So this 10-10-10 spray green with 7% sulfur is just the right ticket. But what I want you to see here is look at the dust that this thing throws off. As we go along, you're gonna see it. This dust came out of the bag of 10-10-10. I kept losing my mask. I went through 3 of them this day. So I had to keep getting more. 2 of them just broke. The other one fell off, so I got it fresh. But replay. Look at the dust from another angle. So if you have to use the 10-10-10, at least this bag, this Stay Green bag, wear long pants or take a shower immediately after. But it kicks up some dust. Comment below if you ever use certain types of fertilizer and they throw off this much powder and dust. Now, exactly a year earlier, we have a broken irrigation, and it looks like it popped off. My grass spots filled in nicely. That was all POA that I had killed off, and I had put in a walkway on the side of the house, and the wheelbarrow just destroyed that area. But this year, it's looking pretty good. All right, folks, thanks for joining me. I'm gonna get back out there in the yard, and we'll talk to you next time.